Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Bitcoin from your Revolut account to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just want a quick, secure guide, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First off, before we start, ensure you have a Revolut account with some Bitcoin in it and the Arculus wallet app set up on your device. Arculus is a fantastic hardware wallet for keeping your assets safe, so it's worth the setup if you haven't done it yet. Step 1. Open the Revolut app on your phone and log in securely. Once you're in, head over to the Crypto tab and select Bitcoin from your list of assets. This is where all your digital currencies are managed. Step 2. On the Bitcoin page, look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually prominent. Tap it to begin the transaction process. Step 3. Now, you need the recipient's wallet address. Switch to your Arculus wallet app, go to the Receive section, and generate a new Bitcoin address. Make sure to copy this address carefully to avoid any errors. Step 4. Back in Revolut, paste the Arculus address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Double-check the details, including the address and amount, because crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Review the transaction summary, which will show any network fees. Keep in mind these can fluctuate based on Bitcoin's network congestion in 2025. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm to send the Bitcoin. After that, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the Bitcoin to show up in your Arculus wallet, depending on the network. Always verify addresses and use two-factor authentication for extra security. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Revolut to Arculus in 2025. It's easier than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.